Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Long time I didn't record the video. Today it's another day. We're recording comparison, right? DS18 versus Faital Pro. Faital Pro, very successful company. They developing the speakers many years, and they will develop the speakers many years. Faital Pros, they're made in Italy. DS18, you guys let me know where they developing and where they building those speakers. So now the reason why I'm doing this video, the Faital Pro and the DS18 come up with the very similar speakers. As you can see, the spec wise are very close. It's like a copy from the Faital Pro or exactly the same speaker with the Faital Pro, right? Now what manufacturer they're using, I don't know. The Faital Pro use the China base, also the Italy base. DS18 is also using the China base, and maybe they come up with this Faital Pro and creating the exactly same product. I don't know, right? You guys comment below. So today we're gonna compare the two speakers. We're gonna play a lot of music. I'm gonna throw them full range because the both speakers is like a mid-bass speakers. So the both speakers handles, DS18 handles from 65 Hz to 5000 Hz. Faital Pro is from 60 Hz to 5000 Hz. Sensitivity Faital Pro is 95 dB. DS18 advertising 97 dB, right? The both is similar, 150 watt RMS power, 300 maximum power, blah blah. Very close speakers, right? So let me play this right away, the couple music, the full range, and I'm gonna cut the 65 Hz. Like both speakers will come comfortable, and we're gonna throw a lot of power, and we're gonna see how these speakers sounds. For me, the specs are nothing because I tested so many speakers, and advertising it's nothing, right? It's sometimes that some companies like over advertise. Some companies, like I have a 4 boxes here from the Dev Bonds, the brand new speakers. I'm gonna do the next videos. You're gonna see those guys are just lying, right? Dev Bonds is always lying, under advertising other speakers, I guess. And I'm gonna compare all those speakers too. All right, let's play the speakers. This little lights indicates which speaker I'm playing. So whatever is lights up, that speaker is playing, right? All right, let's start from the Faital Pro. Very close to sound output, very close. A lot of times I see exactly the same specs, two speakers, they play like a total different, right? Some speakers a lot brighter, more details on the music, a lot more informations on the music. Some speakers like just a dull speakers, like throwing like some music, right? I put all the links on the description for the speakers. For the DSP I'm using, this is a Bluetooth speaker from the Expert, very nice device. You have to own one of these if you're listening a lot of music. I cut the 65 for the both speakers on the lower, and the top I cut on the 5000. So we're gonna play some loud music and we'll see how they perform. as you can see, DS18, the spider is a little tighter. The Faital Pro is more motion is a lot longer, so the bass is going to be a little bit longer. DS18 a little bit punchier bass, but very close sound output. It's clarity, details on the music. It's very close. So I gotta give the conclusion, right? Copy or the same speaker, whatever, it happens. This is the thoughts, right? DS18 build, fit and finish, looks, feels a lot more expensive high-end speaker, because as you can see, the magnets, clarity, how they applying the glue, all that stuff, like surrounding areas, the materials. The DS18 it's a little bit better, feels a little bit expensive speakers, right? Now the sound wise, if you give it more clarity after 5000 hertz, like you open up a little bit more clarity sound, DS18 as you can see, they produce the sound like a clarity upper sound is better than Faital Pro. Faital Pro is made for the small you know, just a PA speakers or the house speakers, the smaller box, but DS18 I don't know, it's a similar speaker, but that's a little bit sound producing this a little bit different. I think the DS18 right now is a little bit cheaper than Faital Pro, or the same price. The DS18 a little bit tighter bass, a little bit, because the spider is a little bit, you know, the stronger, tighter bass. And what else? And the quality is a little bit nicer on the DS18. Other than that, the both speakers really good speakers. They sound amazing. They handle a lot of powers, like 300 maximum powers, like 150 RMS power. And the good stuff is DS18. They stopped doing all this, you know, the badging, so you can use now for the home theater systems, all, you know, open like unbranded speakers. Only thing you see the sign is DS18 in the foam. That's it. So this is very good speaker, like a professional speakers, like 18 sounds, like all these, you know, big guys. BNC, they're not gonna put all the badges. Alright guys, this is my review. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely guys subscribe it, and comment below what you guys gonna look. Make sure you listen all my videos with the headphones, so I'm recording with a high-end microphone system, so you can able to just hear a little bit difference right between the speakers. I'm out. Also in the next video guys.